On YouTube fishing.
Stuck in the bottom. I was like, bam, bam, bam.
You have to cheer for her.
Jake.
Caught a fish in a couple years.
No, don't take more line.
It's pretty smooth.
No.
You can feel it? Oh, it's pulling line out.
It keeps
Yeah, it's a
every
big fish.
line that I pull in. Oh crap.
That's why. Tail, it took a half an hour.
Have fun.
No, Taylor was like
Still
11,
dropped the tip.
12 minutes.
What nose we want?
You went to the gym. Here you go.
I already went to the gym today.
Natural gym.
Come on, fish, come on. Oh.
Nice light rod. Tail, this is rod I won in the Hudson Fishing Association there.
See?
Wow, yeah, it's pulling out. Nice. Every time it gets close, that's what happened to Taylor. It starts pulling out. There's no current now. Taylor had the ripping current, so it's a lot easier. Wow, look at that.
Literally for every bit I take it in, it goes back out again.
But you can feel it tugging, so it's not like, you know, it's hanging out.
Tired. This arm is tired. I want to use my other arm.
That's what I didn't want it.
I'm trying to see if I can. Oh, no, I can't get that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Snatch a little bit.
How much longer, Dad?
It will do about 25 minutes, I think, so it's funny. If the big fish takes a long time. Every time Taylor's got close to the boat, it ran.
It doesn't feel like it's getting any closer.
Yeah, it never does.
Taylor, come with glasses, please. Taylor, important.
In the middle of something.
It's important. The boat's getting ready to crash into us.
Oh, where? Where are they?
Alright, turn.
Where are they?
Over there, on the side.
Tired.
You see that? I crashed into the fence because of you.
Yeah, I would be really mad. Dead sheep, right there.
Let me see. Okay. It's okay. You can have some controls.
That's right. No, don't put it in there, you can lose it.
Oh,
Come on, just hold it, just hold it. Come on.
wait, let me.
Oh, you said it's pretty good. Okay, get that fish in.
Oh crap.
These are bigger fish.
Yeah, this is it. Oh god. Bad fish, bad fish.
Wow, it's not that close.
I have no idea. It doesn't feel like it's getting any closer. That's for sure.
Is the line coming in?
Yeah? How much line did you let out? That's
what I said.
Halfway across New York.
No, they take it. Sure, that's coming in.
Okay, I was was like, please don't tell me I've been doing the whole time in circles, Taylor, and it wasn't doing anything.
Pretty nice size fish.
Oh, you brought your iPad too, Taylor?
You just said this 10 minutes ago.
I know, but I was just thinking about how you said it was yours, not that.
Boy, the sun's pretty on the buildings.
Oh, God.
How you doing, Kelsey? Getting tired? Didn't jump yet. Taylor, how you doing? She's like taking her time here. Wow, that's a nice tip. We haven't had 2 fish on at the same time ever.
Yeah, we have.
No, this year. Be nice to get one right now. And Kelsey's still going. Oh boy. Whoa, nice bend in the rod. Great rod. You know what? We're getting close. Okay, here you go.
We are?
Yeah. Keep going, Jack. Try to get the fish. Stop pulling.
What, like a great white shark on, Taylor? Or a whale. How about a whale?
You should see mine. I was practically in the water.
What's on the boat?
The fish there?
Oh, here it is. Oh, shoot. Yeah, it's big. Oh,
Is it bigger than mine?
oh yeah. Wow.
That's a keeper.
Wow. Oh my God. That's I think it's a little
What?
bigger.
That's not fair. Ah, success. I caught a big fish.
Oh man.
I had to deal with a
Big fish. That's why it's so hard to get in.
Oh my God, it is big.
Oh God.
That's a pretty big
That's
fish.
the biggest one ever.
What do you mean the biggest one ever?
That's your biggest ever. Wow.
That was hard work, Taylor. My arms are sore.
Is it hooked all the way down?
Jamie, go catch it. Check it out.
Look at it. I like the gloves, Dad.
Wow. Come on, please. Hey, come over for a second.
How big is it?
We're gonna measure in a second. It's from Kelsey's feet up to.
You have to lift it up a little so I
Her
can see
boobies.
it how bad. It's almost as tall as
It's a heavy
Kelsey.
fish. Okay, we need to get some pictures.
Are you gonna throw it back, honey? Because it's gonna die.
I don't know. You guys want to take us home and eat it? Kelsey?
Yes.
Jamie, go check out the fish.
Okay, turn it off.